Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is AK, or you can call me Akgbenz. And today we're gonna be installing this wig. Excuse my appearance, but you know, we're gonna be installing a lace frontal wig that I made, and I put my ball cap down. There's really nothing special to it, so I didn't record it. And there's really nothing special to any of this, but I'm gonna just show y'all what I do. So now that it's all dry, I'm gonna cut away at the wig cap. I can't find my good scissors for this, so I'm kind of bummed. Oh, these scissors are basura. Garbage. We might have to find something that works better. Oh, maybe these ones. We're gonna use the fabric scissors. You guys, I'm so happy because I have not been able to do my hair in so long because the wig I wear to work. So for those of you who don't know, I work as a nurse, and during this pandemic, I don't like to wear the wig that I wear to work outside of work and like around the house because like even though we have hair coverings, like you just never know what jumps on your hair. But I just made me a little scrub hat. This one is like a bonnet. The issue I had with my other ones is that my ponytail was still out because if y'all ain't know, I like the inches, honey. So I made one that can have all of my hair covered, so I'm really excited about that. I just finished making this at 2 a.m. So if I look half dead, that's why. Yeah, try not to catch your face when you do this. Don't be like me. And I try and cut the cap as close to my hairline as possible because I feel like my wigs already be overtaking my forehead. But then again, the forehead is a 5 head, so maybe that's not a problem. Ooh, you see, this is what I hate. It be lifting up. Y'all trying to play me. Let's be honest, sis. You probably played yourself. Alright. Let's try and spray that back down. So when stuff like that happens, I try and, you know, let me bring y'all a little closer. Stuff like that be happening, I be trying to put it back down. And I use my rat tail comb to hold it instead of my finger. All right. Now you see these little like frou-frou pieces that be up. A trick I learned from a hair class I took is the spray got to be on the rat. Actually, well, I'm not telling y'all secrets that I paid for. But I be spraying got to be on the rat tail comb, and like you gotta, you'll see. I didn't do a good job, so forget that. And now I'm gonna put some makeup on my ball cap. I'm gonna use a powder that matches my face. You can use a foundation, but be careful with the foundations because you don't want to use one that's too oily because then it's gonna make the glue lift. But yeah, I'll be right back. Usually I cut the lace before I apply the glue, but something in me is saying just do it after. So I'm just gonna flip this back like so and expose the craziness. Oh, just kidding. Before I apply this glue, I'm gonna take some rubbing alcohol on a little piece of gauze that I have. You can use tissue paper. And I had cleaned my hairline before I applied my bald cap, but like now that I done put makeup everywhere, like you gotta go back and clean it. See, look at all that makeup that was there. It gotta go. We're gonna do this twice. We're gonna take the skin protectant. This is from Bold Hold, so since I got the glue from Bold Hold, I got their skin protectant, I got their lace remover. I have a new lace glue that's coming in the mail that I want to try, but like if you buy lace glue, like whatever company you buy it from, you might as well buy like the remover and like the skin protectant too, because like those products should work best together, you know? Makes sense, right? It's like Apple products, like your Apple Watch works better with your iPhone, you know? So yeah. All right, now we're gonna let that cool. And I be doing 3 coats of Bold Hold. Maybe I should do 4, because I want this on for a long time. But then sometimes, don't you ever just be sick of your wig after you wanted it on for a long time? If not, then maybe it's just me. So this is how I'm gonna apply it. Usually I do dots, but it just depends on how I feel that day. I don't even know if it's gonna go this far, but we'll find out. I'm about to put some on my sideburns. I don't even care because they're sideburns. Why do I have them anyway? Okay. I should have put some more, but that's okay. We'll do it on the next coat. Oh, girl, you did not put enough. Oh, good. We did not put enough glue. Here I was thinking I put too much. And I already got a piece of hair caught in this stingy majiggy. Okay, that's better. And try not to make the glue too bulky, because like then it takes forever to dry, and then if it's not dry, it's gonna seep through your lace, and you don't want that. So now, since we rolled this back ever so nicely, ooh, I'm scared. Let me do it like this. Actually, ooh, I should not have done this, y'all. So now I am nervous about this frontal placement. Ooh, I didn't even explain what I did, but I just try and pull and aim it and like land it down in a good spot. And then, oh shit, this is not in a good spot. Once it is in a good spot, just make sure it's in a spot that's above, that's like before the cap, because you don't want that. I feel like I did not put this in a good spot, but part of it is because of how the wig is made, because this is not one of my bests. Ooh, I can already feel me getting hot with this wig on. I don't know why I did this. This week is supposed to be 80 degrees damn near every day. Why did I do this? Girl. But yes, once I land it in like a good spot, sometimes you can pick it up and move it, but I feel like that doesn't usually go over well. I just try and comb and push it into the right spot. Ooh, I'm just over here snatching up my earring. And I know my glue was dry enough because the hairs are sticking together in the front. That only happens if your glue ain't dry. Okay, now I'm gonna take this little black strip thing. Use the paper strips. Wow, I have scissors right there all along. Now that I found the scrunchie, I'm gonna put this hair in a ponytail momentarily. Don't put it in a tight ponytail, because if you wear your ponytails too tight when you have on a wig, it can make it slide back, and then your glue gonna be lifting up, and you're gonna be looking what crazy in these streets. I'm gonna tie this tight because I really wanted to help my frontal lay down. We're gonna use these little manicure scissors to cut our lace. I feel like it looks, see, the hairline ain't that crazy. Y'all just can't see. I've been waiting for this moment for like a week. And in case you're wondering, I did not cut my ear tabs yet. We getting there, we getting there, we getting there. Before, I already know where to cut my ear tabs because of where I put the glue. And before you cut your ear tabs, just make sure you're not going to be cutting in such a line where you cut off where your frontal is sewn to your dome cap, because you don't want that kind of issue when it's already glued to your head. So we cut that off. Let's comb it out a bit, because when you cut a weft or a frontal, you create a little bit of shedding. Not bad. Not bad, baby, not bad. All right, everyone. It's the next day, and I was so tired last night. my card was full and I had to change my camera, and I was like, you know what, we'll just record this the next day. But this is the finished look for the hair. There's still a little bit of like glue that like is a before my hairline that I gotta clean up, but I'm gonna do that later. The hair, the wig looks so good. I'm so excited about it. I feel like y'all can't really see like how the hairline looks. Like on camera it kind of looks like a straight line, but it's really not. It's not heavily plucked, but it's plucked enough. When I make my wigs, I don't like to pluck it too much, because over time, especially when you bleach your knots, I feel like over time the hair starts to shed when you comb it. And some people don't comb weave right. Like you're supposed to start at the bottom just like your regular hair. People going from the root and combing it, so the hair starts to shed. So over time the hairline's gonna shed more too, and I just feel like it makes the frontal closure last longer. But I'm really happy with how this looks. Like it's, man, it's looking like skull. Like what? Some places look a little better than others, but I ain't mad at it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this video. Follow me on all my social media down below. I really just jumped into that outro. But make sure you follow me on all my social media down below, and stay tuned for next week. We're posting every Wednesday at 12 o'clock, so you can watch it on your lunch break. But yep, stay tuned, and I hope you learned some tips and you were able to figure out how to do your own frontal. And yeah, all the girls so cute.